pagbigyan ng Greenfield na major sponsor sa ating EDSA fencing, yung window to showcase not only the city, sa city kundi sa metropolis, yung fencing. And nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating Mayor, Benji Abalos, Vice Mayor Benji Abalos, the City Council, Councilor Benji Abalos, ang ating boss dito sa Greenfield, Sir Dwayne Santos, maraming po salamat. At sa marketing, sa leasing department, baka hindi ko mention lahat, pero maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa ating Philippine fencing and Mandaluyong fencing. Kasi kaya ako nababanggit na Philippine fencing, hindi may iwasan. Nakita nila tayo sa EDSA, yung fencing na sa Mandaluyong. Tayo lang ang merong fencing hall na nag-exist o mag-exist sa Mandaluyong, sa EDSA pa mismo. Maraming sa pwede ba natin palakpakan ang ating mga grupos sa tulong. Yung spirit ng bayanihan ay buhay na buhay dito sa Mandaluyong. Hindi lang namin kinakanta sa marcha na sa Mandaluyong lahat ay tulong-tulong. Ito pong araw na ito ay manifestation ng pagtulong-tulong ng mga taga-Mandaluyong para iangat ang sports, ang wellness, hindi lamang po sa mga kabataan natin at eventually yung mga adults, young adults ay makabilang din sa ating fencing community. Again, maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.
Nagsimula ako matuto ng fencing ng 4 years ako. Naging way ko para makapag-aral kasi hindi naman kayang bayaran ng parents ko yung pag-enroll sa university. To cut the long story short, I became the most valuable player of UAP season 72 and naging part din ko ng junior national team noong 2008-2010. I started doing part-time coaching after ko makapag-aral kasi kailangan ko ng supportahan yung sarili ko. And then, I went to Singapore 2012-2014 para mas matuto ako ng maayos sa pagtutulong ng fencing. And then, in 2015, kinausap ako ng mga kaibigan ko na magtayo kami ng sariling fencing club and yun yung Republic Fencing. And last year lang, 2022, nagkaroon ako ng offer to coach here sa Italy. Biruin nyo guys, sa isang bagong lang pang-enroll sa university, ngayon, owner na ng fencing club and i-coach here and part ng national champion sa Italy. Walang imposible. Kaya nung nalaman ko na may fencing club na sa Mandaluyong, natuwa ako kasi magkakaroon na ng ibang Mandaluyong na matututo ng fencing and hopefully magkaroon ng bagong champion dito.
This Coach Fritz from Italy and I just want to congratulate everyone sa groundbreaking ng fencing muna dyan sa Mandaluyong. Naalala ko nung fencer pa ako way back 2005, parang ako lang ata yung isang fencer dyan sa Mandaluyong and wala kaming ganyan. And I'm really happy na nagkakaroon na kayo ng mga big steps and big achievements dyan sa Mandaluyong. So, I'm happy for you guys. And of course, I just want to thank everyone na sumusuporto sa inyo. Walang iba, kundi ating Mayor, na si Ben Abalos, ang ating Vice Mayor, na si Benji Abalos, ating Councilor, Mr. Benji Abalos, ang ating former Councilor in City Sports and Development Head, Noel Bernardo, and Attorney Dwayne Santos of Greenfield Development Corporation. Maraming salamat po. And Sulong Mandaluyong. Ciao!
Magandang araw. Today marks a significant milestone for the Mandaluyong City Fencing Club. Congratulations, Mandaluyong Fencing, on this remarkable achievement. It is very inspiring to witness the journey from your humble beginnings at the Anytime Fitness to now moving into a bigger and permanent location. Your dedication in promoting fencing and making it accessible and affordable to everyone is really commendable. It is great to see that your club advocacy aligns perfectly with the mission of the Philippine Sports Commission, which emphasizes creating equitable opportunities for sports participation across all sectors. By providing access to fencing and fostering a supportive community, this contributes to the broader goal of inclusivity in sports, especially within the fencing community. I'm confident this milestone will pave the way for your young athletes to be part of the national team that will eventually represent our country in many, many international competitions. But most importantly, let us never forget to enjoy every moment of the sport the same way. Congratulations once again, and here's to many more accomplishments. Buhay ang mga talento.
Thank you very much for those inspiring words.